Hello and welcome back to our daily English talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Roy. Didn't you know this is a place to practice listening and speaking with simple, real English?
Please help us by liking this video and subscribing. It means a lot to us.
So, Emma, today we are talking about a place many people know but sometimes feel nervous about.
Oh, yes, I think I know. Are we talking about the gym today?
Yes, exactly, the gym.
That is a great topic. Many people go to the gym, but speaking English there can feel scary at first.
That is very true. And today we will make it feel easy and friendly.
You know, the gym is a place where people often feel shy.
Yes, especially beginners. They worry about their body, their fitness, and their English.
But everyone starts somewhere, and the gym is full of normal, kind people.
Exactly. And the English used at the gym is actually very simple.
Let us start at the beginning. Imagine you are walking into a gym for the first time.
You open the door. You see exercise machines. You hear music. You smell clean towels.
And maybe you see the front desk. Someone is standing there.
Usually, the staff will greet you.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I am new here.
That is already perfect English.
Yes, very simple and very clear.
Many beginners worry about saying the wrong thing.
But saying, I am new here is enough.
The staff will understand and help you.
The staff may ask you a simple question.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Very easy.
Short answers are totally fine.
Now let us talk about joining the gym.
The staff may talk about membership.
But do not worry, you can keep your English simple.
I want to join the gym.
Okay, I can help you with that.
That feels friendly already.
Yes, the staff is there to help, not to judge.
Sometimes the staff asks about your goal.
Like, why do you want to go to the gym?
You can answer very simply.
What is your goal?
I want to be healthy.
Perfect answer.
Simple and honest.
You can also say, I want to exercise more.
Or, I want to feel stronger.
No long explanation is needed.
The gym staff hears these answers every day.
Now imagine you already joined. It's your first workout day.
You walk into the gym. You look around.
You may feel a little nervous. That's normal.
I remember my first day at the gym.
Really? What was it like?
I didn't know how to use any machines.
Me too. I just walked slowly and looked confused.
And that's okay. Everyone feels like that at first.
Yes, even very fit people started as beginners.
Now let's talk about asking for help.
This is very important English.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course.
That's all you need to say.
Trainers are happy to help.
You can also ask about machines.
Many machines look confusing.
How do I use this?
Let me show you.
Simple question, simple answer.
Do not feel shy about asking.
Now let's talk about gym greetings.
People at the gym are usually friendly but quiet.
You may hear, hi.
Hi.
That's enough.
No long conversation needed.
Sometimes people smile or nod instead of talking.
And that is also normal.
Let's talk about what you wear at the gym.
Comfortable clothes. That's it.
No need to talk much about it.
But sometimes staff asks about shoes.
Do you have gym shoes?
Yes, I do.
Easy.
Now let us talk about the locker room.
This can feel awkward for beginners.
You may hear, the locker room is over there.
Thank you.
Very polite.
Thank you is always a good word.
You may also ask, where is the locker room?
Over there, on the left.
Clear and helpful.
Emma, do you remember feeling nervous at the gym?
Yes, I did, especially at first.
What helped you feel better?
I realized no one was watching me. Everyone was focused on themselves.
That is so true.
The gym is a very personal place.
And English at the gym is also very personal.
Short, kind, and simple.
In part 1 today, we talked about entering the gym,
Talking to the staff,
joining the gym,
asking for help.
feeling nervous, and being kind to yourself.
In part 2, we will talk about working out at the gym.
Yes, using machines, talking to trainers, resting, and simple gym conversations. Welcome back. In part 2, we are inside the gym now.
Yes, you already joined, you changed your clothes, and now it is time to exercise.
This is where many beginners feel unsure, but do not worry. The English here is very simple.
Let us start with walking around the gym.
You see many machines. Some are for legs, some are for arms, some are for cardio.
Cardio means exercise that makes your heart beat faster.
When you see a machine, you may not know what it is for.
That is very normal.
Excuse me, what is this machine for?
This is for your legs.
Simple question, simple answer.
You do not need special words.
You may also ask, can you show me how to use this?
Sure,
Trainers like helping beginners.
that is their job.
Now, let us talk about starting a workout.
Many people start with cardio.
Do you want to use the treadmill?
Yes, please.
Very easy.
The treadmill is the machine you walk or run on.
You can say, I will walk.
Okay.
No pressure to run.
Sometimes trainers ask about time.
You can answer simply,
How long do you want to walk?
10 minutes.
Perfect.
Now, let us talk about weights.
Weights can feel scary for beginners.
This is heavy.
Try a lighter one.
Very helpful advice.
You can also say, this is too heavy.
Or, this is okay.
Listening to your body is important.
Now let us talk about resting.
Resting is part of exercising.
I need a break.
That is fine.
Very normal conversation.
You may also hear, take your time.
Thank you.
Kind words help.
Now let us talk about water.
Drinking water is very important at the gym.
Do you have water?
Yes, I do.
Easy answer.
You can also say, I need water.
No full sentence needed.
Now let us talk about simple gym feelings.
You can say how you feel.
I am tired.
That is okay.
Or you can say, this is hard.
Or, I feel good.
All feelings are okay.
Now let us talk about encouragement.
Sometimes trainers encourage you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Very positive.
You may also hear, keep going.
Okay.
Short responses are fine.
Now let us talk about gym etiquette.
Etiquette means being polite.
If someone is using a machine, you wait.
You can say, are you using this?
Yes, I am.
Or, no, you can use it.
Very common gym English.
If someone asks you, are you using this?
Yes, one more minute.
Very polite.
Now let us imagine a full short workout conversation.
Hi, how is it going?
It is good, but I am tired.
That's okay. Take a break.
Thank you.
Do you want to try another machine?
Yes, but something easy.
Okay, let's try this one.
That feels friendly and safe. The gym is not about being perfect.
It's about moving your body and feeling good.
In part 2, we talked about using machines, asking for help, cardio and weights, resting and water, feelings and encouragement, gym etiquette.
In part 3, we will talk about group classes, trainers, and making small talk at the gym.
Yes, and also about feeling shy and building confidence. Welcome back. In part 3, we talk about people at the gym.
Yes, trainers, group classes, and small talk with other members.
This part helps you feel more comfortable and less shy.
Let us begin with trainers.
Trainers are there to help you. You do not need perfect English to talk to them.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, please.
Very easy.
Sometimes you want a trainer to show you exercises.
You can say,
Can you help me with this?
of course.
Trainers like helping.
Curious. You can also talk about how often you come to the gym.
For example,
How often do you exercise?
2 times a week.
Simple numbers are enough.
Now, let us talk about group classes.
Group classes are exercises with many people and one instructor.
Curious. Some people feel shy about classes.
Warm. That is very normal.
Is this class for beginners?
Yes, it is.
Good question.
Curious. You can also ask about time.
What time does the class start?
At 6.
Very clear.
Curious. When you join a class, the instructor may speak to you.
Is this your first class?
Yes, it is.
Smiling. That is enough. Curious. In classes, instructors often encourage people.
Good job.
Thank you. Warm. Positive words help.
Curious. Now let us talk about small talk at the gym.
Gentle. Small talk means short, friendly talk.
Curious. Many gym conversations are very short.
Hi.
Hi.
Smiling. That is all.
Curious. Sometimes people talk about the workout.
Gentle.
This is hard.
Yes, it is.
Smiling. Shared feeling.
Curious. You can also talk about progress.
Do you come here often?
Yes, a few times a week.
Warm. Very natural.
Curious. Some people like to encourage others.
You are doing great.
Thank you.
Smiling. Simple kindness.
Curious. Now let us talk about feeling shy.
Gentle. Many beginners feel shy at the gym.
You may think everyone is watching you.
Warm. But they are not.
Everyone is focused on themselves.
Curious. You do not need to talk much.
Warm. Short words are okay.
Curious. Let us practice a shy but polite conversation.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can you help me?
Of course.
Smiling. Very brave and very simple.
Now let us talk about asking about gym rules.
Gentle.
Is this okay to use?
Yes, that is fine.
Smiling. Always good to ask.
Curious. You can also ask about cleaning machines.
Gentle. Do I clean this after?
Yes, please. Warm. Polite and responsible.
Curious. Now let us imagine a longer gym moment. Narrator. I went to the gym in the evening. I felt a little shy. I used the treadmill first. Then a trainer asked if I needed help. I said yes. They showed me an easy exercise. Another member smiled at me. I felt more comfortable.
Warm. Small moments build confidence.
Reflective. Now let us talk about talking after a workout.
Gentle.
Good workout?
Yes, very tiring.
Smiling. Honest and friendly.
Curious. You can also say,
See you next time. Curious. Now let us talk about going slowly.
warm. You do not need to do everything at once.
Gentle. You can say,
I will go slow.
that is good. Smiling. Listening to your body is important.
Curious. In part 3, we talked about
Trainers.
group classes,
Small talk.
feeling shy,
Gym rules.
building confidence.
Warm. In part 4, we will talk about finishing your workout, leaving the gym, and talking about your gym routine.
Yes, ending conversations, saying goodbye, and talking about coming back. Welcome back. This is the final part of our gym conversation series.
Yes, in part 4, we talk about finishing your workout, leaving the gym, and talking about your gym routine.
These are calm moments, and the English is very simple.
Let us begin with finishing a workout.
After exercising, many people feel tired but happy.
I am done for today.
Good job.
That feels nice to hear.
Simple praise gives motivation.
Sometimes trainers ask how you feel. How do you feel?
I feel tired but good.
Very honest and natural.
You can also say, I feel sore.
Or, I feel better.
Now, let us talk about stretching.
Stretching helps your body relax.
Do not forget to stretch.
Okay, thank you.
Short and polite.
After stretching, people often get water or sit down.
I need water.
Yes, please drink water.
Health comes first. Now, let us talk about the locker room again.
After a workout, you may shower or change clothes.
Are you finished?
Yes, I am.
Simple and clear.
You may also hear, good workout.
Thank you.
Friendly gym talk.
Now, let us talk about leaving the gym.
Many people say goodbye at the front desk.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Very polite.
You can also say, see you next time.
See you.
Friendly ending.
Now, let us talk about talking about your gym routine.
People sometimes ask simple questions.
Are you the same as the other member?
Yes, a few times a week.
Very common.
You can also say, I come on weekdays.
Or, I come after work.
Now, let us talk about future plans. Will you come tomorrow?
Maybe.
Simple answer.
You can also say, I will come again.
Very positive.
Now, let us talk about encouragement again.
Encouragement helps you keep going.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Short and motivating.
Now let us imagine a full ending scene. I finished my workout. I felt tired but proud. I stretched and drank water. A trainer said, good job. I smiled and said, thank you. I changed my clothes and left the gym. At the front desk, I said, see you next time. I felt happy and ready to come back again.
This is a very realistic gym experience.
Now let us talk about confidence.
Confidence grows slowly.
The more you go to the gym, the more comfortable you feel.
And the more you hear English, the easier it becomes.
You do not need perfect English.
Simple words are enough.
Now, let us review what we learned in this series.
We learned how to enter the gym.
We learned how to talk to staff and trainers.
We learned how to exercise and ask for help.
We learned how to join classes and make small talk.
We learned how to finish a workout and leave politely.
This is real gym English for beginners.
Simple, calm, and friendly.
Thank you for learning with us.
We are proud of you for practicing.
Keep moving your body.
And keep practicing English.
We will talk with you again soon.